Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're doing a update
the main
video on
character,
Yama
buddy.
Company.
He is.
with-
Purple is. No,
with-
pink. Pink, you're not
with-
the main character.
With
Purple
all
is.
these yahoos. Oh my god. With all these yahoos.
Dude, I'm not a
from
yahoo.
public lobbies.
That's a Yahoo, that's a Yahoo, and that's
Close
a
enough.
Yahoo. I'm not.
So yeah, if you enjoy, or no, like and subscribe.
Ah,
and let's get into the video.
Yo, Purple, can you hear me?
Yeah,
No.
I can hear everyone.
What?
Alright, where are we going?
Have you
added?
What is the video
Nice.
about? What's the
Update.
video about?
Over here.
It's about
the update.
Alright, let's go to it then.
Oh my god, the lake thing has changed. Now it's this. It says ready and ready, and then you have
And
to
we'll
put
show you the
stuff-
missile thing.
Yeah, put stuff in here.
So you're. Wait, how did you get
work.
that? He has
It's
an
not
unreleased item.
No, it's not unreleased.
Wait, how do you get it? Oh wait. And this sprays out a lot of big stuff.
Gold. It's found gold.
It's
Put
found
it,
gold.
put it in. Put
Gold
it in,
looks
guys.
so
Put it
different
in.
though.
Yeah, I know.
I'm a bird. How am I floating? Okay.
And then this is
Oh, it's starting. You do all sorts of stuff, like
Gold.
modded.
Yeah,
gold,
even suitcases.
Shotgun, suitcases, cars. Nice. Yeah. Eggs do really well. Eggs just like fill it up automatically. Oh, like you die. You're back. Oh, why are people dying? Otherwise, revolvers or RPGs work, or weird glow sticks kind of work. Yeah.
Don't worry, you don't have to say it.
Okay. Oh, I forgot I had that. Oops. If you put a lot of eggs in there, it will go on for a while. It'll look like a modded server. Oh, eggs do not. Or do they?
How about a landmine? Help me, give me.
Rip your arm. Rip.
Everybody come, I have a back. Guys, come to the shop.
Alright. Yeah, this update is really cool. Oh, it's not eggs. An egg will oh, see, suitcase. I'll try to get it. Suitcases are really good too.
Yeah, I can. Everybody can.
Yeah.
Purple.
Yeah?
The recording.
Yeah.
I just want to unlock the drill. I didn't leave.
That's okay. Trying to get this suitcase. Can't get it.
Drill.
Yes.
Shibbity bum bum.
What?
Ow! What?
It can damage yourself, yeah. I can't get this. Got it.
Ow!
I got the suitcase.
Can damage yourself. Can I just say you want? Dude, how much damage does that do? How much
Not
damage?
that much.
Oh no!
I'm gonna kick you.
Oh no! That's about to go crazy. It's about to go crazy. It's about to go crazy. Okay. Where did it always go? Ow!
If we just put a ton of eggs in there, if you just put the whole bag in there, it'll go for a very long time and it'll very chaotic.
Ow! I got hit
I
with
saw it on
little
a
missile.
dead something.
Who just bombed
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think there's just a mimic. Oh my god. Don't put anything else in there. Do not put any. Oh. you can also get you can get teleported here. Nothing really changed here, by the way. But what is the new item? Oh my god, look at it. Now it looks like a modded lobby.
There's suitcases everywhere.
I know, also one of the new items is, look, the new items. The teleporters. Yeah, the cars.
Hey, how do you grab that?
Just pick it up.
Dude, can I have one?
Here you go.
Have it?
Look, there's uranium and everything.
Help me. Help me, please.
Hold on. Teleport. Teleports you to wherever you throw it. I'm just kidding. Get out. It also works as a backpack. I'm gonna keep this uranium, so hopefully I can make it bigger. Also, the new item that just was unreleased yesterday, but now it just came out today. Just the new drill thing.
I got the gal. I got a gal.
Mimic bag. This bags. They sometimes spawn mimics. Just open it up.
Yeah,
they used to. Oh, or not. They spawn mimics.
Wait, did I spawn them?
Yeah, they can spawn mimics. No, don't. It has a tele grenade. I think if you go in there, it don't work.
Oh, what's the tele grenade?
Teleportation. Just come out here and dump it out. Dump it. See? Told ya.
Oh my.
And we just got a friend on stage. Uh-oh. Mimic. Mimic is mad now. Guys, we summoned a mimic. Oh. Get the RPG. We just summoned a mimic.
Where's the mimic? I just exploded it. I'm at 1% live.
Sorry. Those big brown bags will spawn in mimics, by the way. But we gotta get these suitcases down. Got it. We gotta get those suitcases down. Oh, yep. I'll go try to get them down. Uh-oh. Suitcase, I'll get it. Uh-oh. No. Here. Yo, who has heart ray guns unlocked?
Mimic bag! Mimic bag!
Dump it out, dump it out. Let's do it. See? Mimic! Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun.
Oh!
Make sure it's dead.
It's dead.
Get out.
You can call me Sensei.
What
You
are
can call me
doing?
Sensei of the uranium. You
We
can
got-
call me Sensei
Does
of the
anybody
uranium.
have any ray guns unlocked and get this suitcase out of the sky?
I do. I have them unlocked. I have them
Okay, good.
unlocked.
Go get some. Just look at all the suitcases. Oh. Also, these things are pretty good for putting in there. Here's the storm. Good to get. Oh, big shotgun. This thing is huge.
I have ray guns right now. Alright, everybody get 4. Everybody get 4. I'm not getting anything. I'm
Yo, it's a tiny rocket launcher.
Alright, let's just
Oh
get
yeah, those are cool.
Let's just get it done. Let's get it done.
Uranium. No. No. Get the uranium. Or not. I can't get that. Here, I'll just go for the suitcases then. Oh. Got it. Here, I'm gonna put this in there.
I have two.
In there. I'm gonna go get some Brooklyn stuff. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh! There. Oh my god. Do we have one of these? Also, it can sometimes spawn in the cars in the main. You're low health.
Alright, bro. I have to get my daily uranium.
Yeah. Here. Yeah, I know what would be faster. This. Let's take There. Oh my god. Got it.
Can somebody please give me uranium?
Yeah. There you go.
I like need it so much. Oh, thank you.
I have
Thank
a full
you.
bag full of uranium.
And I wanted the big one.
This update is fun. There we go. Uh-oh. Cool. What the heck? What? Got it. Uh-oh. Was it the big one? Back in. No. Get them. They're doing big one straight. We need a lot more eggs or something. I'm gonna try to get more of the suitcases and stuff real quick, and then probably end it. The do teleport things are sick. The drills and the arrows are both in the tuck tree now. Oh yeah. Big update next Tuesday. There we go. Okay, I got 2 coming in. I'm gonna get more. Oh my gosh. Ah. No. Women. Got it. Got it. No! I'm cooked. Oh! No! No! No, the suitcase! No! See if you guys can grab it when I revive. Or respawn, my bad. Hopefully you guys can. There we go. Nothing. Yeah. Just put this in here. Oh, we got 2 of them. That'd be perfect. There we go. Oh! Where is it? Up here? Mimic bag!
Open it up, doctor yet?
Oh, it didn't work this time.
Are you a doctor yet?
Dang it!
Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor?
No, I'm not doctor yet.
Doctor me when you're doctor. Doctor me when you're doctor. Okay, I'm doctor now. Who's that? Me. Who's that?
Let's put that in there. Okay, last one. Pow! If you guys enjoyed,
Yo, guys,
like
you want to see my
and
superpower?
subscribe.
What?
And we'll see you in the next one.